throwing star. Come on, let's do it. I'm using printing paper, but if you have origami square paper, you can skip this step. Okay, so you need 4 papers in square shape. This is not square paper, so I'm going to make it square. So first, take this corner and fold it right there. And then make sure it's pointy at the tip. So then it's like that. And then it becomes like this. So then get your scissors, and basically you need to cut just the rectangle piece, just like that. And then keep on cutting, and then you'll get a square piece of paper. Okay, so now hopefully you know how to do this. So we're gonna fast forward it. Real business. Okay, so first we have to fold it just like that, half, yeah, and then you open it back up, and then you have to fold this, and then we have to get the same here, and then do this again, repeat it, and then again, but don't do it again, just leave it like this. And turn it like this. So then we need to make it go like that, and then open it and make sure it's like this. Okay, so we have to get this part, and see this crease line right there? Yeah, you need to just put it like that, and then this, and make sure this goes. So I'll give you time to look at how I do it. Okay. So now, before we do anything, just make sure you just fold this. Okay, so you need to just fold it. Yeah, and then you see it goes like this. Make sure. See this part, this has to go like that. But then you have to open it up again. And then see this, it's on the bottom. So we have to take this end and make sure this has to go on the bottom. So look how the bottom line's matching. So then we have to fold it again, and you see this part will take it out, and then you see this hole inside it. You have to put it inside to make this. So we're going to repeat this step for the next 3 pieces of paper. Done all of them. You have to get one of your piece, and you'll see there's like a hole in here. So you have to take another piece here, 2 pieces you need, and then basically make sure this end has to go in like this. So then it'll become something like this. Okay, so now you have this. So get one more piece, and then make it upside down, and then put it through this hole. So something like this. And make sure it doesn't like fall off. Just make sure this one goes like. And then you just take the last piece, and you have to fit this through. You have to fit this through this, and kind of remove it like that, but then put it back in, and put this two inside the hole. So now you kind of get the image in your head. Just pull it in. And then I found out that it's easier if you have two people so you have to pull these two and the person has to pull these two at the same time. Oh yeah, perfect. Good. That's it. And now you have your katana. This is called a ninja origami throwing star. And I'm going to show you how it looks like when you throw it. He's our neighbour's cat and he kind of likes us. His name is Mimi. Make sure you pull it so tight without the fear, because this will break because this is rough. Because there's another ninja star that you only need 2 origami papers, but this is 4, so it won't break that easily.